Crypto Carry Club, it's invite-only, mostly networking events and educational events in the blockchain, crypto, and just emerging tech space. So we get some really cool speakers that are traditionally not really on the blockchain speaking circuit, so bringing different viewpoints, and just get a room full of really cool people. I started the Crypto Carries because I was working in the blockchain space and just wanted to meet more people, and there was simply no good events whatsoever. There was just no way of meeting people at all, and there was no real community. So I started them as a way to just meet people myself and get people together, and now they've built, apparently they're the #1 events in the UK and built the largest community of crypto and blockchain people in the UK.
Bitcoin SV is changing the way in which we can do business. It is unlimited transactions, unlimited scalability, unlimited in utility.
DCEP is in short, it's just a fiat digital currency issued by the central bank of our government. It is 100% backed on Renminbi, and it's 1 to 1 yuan always.
So anyone can go to the website cryptocarryclub.com or email hello@cryptocarryclub.com to find more information, or be added to the mailing list about the newsletter and find out about the events. So at the moment we're only in the UK and in the Cayman Islands, but maybe we'll grow more internationally soon.